JC, some whiskey for you.
Okay, so here's the difference.
Spectrum.
Look, no. Class 1 carcinogen, right?
It's kombucha.
Yeah, it works. Come on, Nikhil.
So JC, is there a spectrum in alcohol? I mean, I think alcohol is a zero one, right? So there is no spectrum. I mean, any amount of alcohol is bad.
Yes.
Right. And I think
agree with this.
But in the spectrum, isn't something allowed like
not with alcohol, right? It's like it maybe once a month.
See, we are talking cellular level. There are things that affect you at a cellular level, and there are things that don't mess with you at a cellular level.
Yeah.
Okay. Alcohol has formaldehyde. Formaldehyde has the potential to damage your DNA. So at a cellular level, it is damaging. Now, just in case, case in point, so we talk about cancer, right? Everybody has cancer genes. But how do cancers spread? Basically, your cells start dividing uncontrollably. When the genetic code that controls the growth of cell division, mitosis, that code is either damaged, right? Or let's say over a period of time, the cells are like, you know what, we don't want to follow this, we want to follow something else. So mutation. And this happens when you have carcinogens that have the potential to disrupt your DNA. Alcohol, any amount of alcohol will have formaldehyde, right? And the minute it enters your system, it does not even need to go through each and every cell of your body. Even in your blood, you have blood cells, you have white cells, you have red cells, you have so many cells. It can start messing around with cell division of any of these cells. Then you have liver, right? So many places where it can attack these cells.
I was listening in on a podcast, Dave Asprey, and he was talking about Kava. You know about Kava?
Yeah.
It's
Sorry, what?
Kava. Apparently KVA.
Kava.
So it's a type of drink which is made from the roots of some kind of vegetable or fruit or whatever, and people are drinking it to get slightly intoxicated. and it's becoming popular in the US apparently. So Kava drink.
And
even coffee is intoxicating.
Dave
right?
Asprey, do you have
caffeine?
Yeah, Dave Asprey, I have my own. I
share the same.
We share the same thing on.
So who is good?
Dave
I know your views on Brian. Let's go to the next one.
No,
Huberman?
I'll tell you
with Brian,
honestly,
I think we both
agree the
on-
same thing, that he does more right than wrong. Like his basics and everything is in order. What I have problem with is some of the experimental therapeutics, the 100 pills and everything. Most of these things are unvalidated. So as long as he's keeping those experiments in check and he's doing it on himself as a science experiment, good. I'm just saying don't preach those experiments on people, because you are doing follistatin, you are replacing your albumin, your blood plasma with albumin. People are going to do that. And these are, first of all, very expensive treatments with side effects.
But if nobody does the research, how do we ever innovate?
No. So that's what
let
he's
him
saying.
do
To
it.
do it of yourself, but don't say that.
Don't tell to people. Yeah.
But is he saying, asking people to do
I
it?
think to that extent he's doing fine. I think. I mean, so
Huberman good? Dave Asprey? Who else?
Huberman,
Tim Ferriss?
Huberman largely good.
Ferriss, yeah.
Largely good, yeah.
David Sinclair.
Mixed.
Same.
Tim
Peter-
Ferriss?
Tim Ferriss is not really longevity. Yeah.
No? Who else is
And
there?
Peter Attia.
Peter Attia,
Yeah.
largely good.
Good. Yeah.
JC Fitter?
JC Fittr, very good.
Look, I'm not a
Let's
scientist.
do the Indian ones, okay? JC Fitter, Marcus Ramney?
Marcus Ramney. Yeah, he's
Marcus
good.
Ramney.
He's good.
Your Endo, what's his name? Kadambi.
See,
Who else? Give me someone name.
See, I'll tell you.
No,
I
we
think I have one or two benchmarks in how to look at. I mean, whether it's Indian or how compromised are they in terms of selling or being, married to some product or supplement, right? So you got to watch out. And second, I think in some cases they just have this super ego and want to kind of satisfy that ego and want to make certain claims just to kind of get stand out, right? And I think a lot of social influencing in this space is around that. And third, being single dimensional, right? A lot of them, they're like, okay, you got to be traditional in everything that you do, right? You got to eat like what your ancestors eat.
Yeah.
It's not contextual,
Yeah.
right? So I think you should watch out for any of these signals
Yeah.